has more on this first alert action day. Stacy, yay snow!
Yay snow! I think we're all saying that. On the drive to and from the mountains, though, if you're going to enjoy some of this fresh powder, be very careful on the roads. It's going to be a mess along I-70 tomorrow, thanks to the heavy snow, the high winds, and the very cold temperatures, so it'll be icy out there. It looks gorgeous out there today. Afternoon highs in the upper 40s and low 50s. It will remain quiet here for the next few hours. We'll have freezing rain late tonight as we head toward midnight. Then it'll change over to snow in the early morning hours, and it'll snow all day tomorrow. And we do have a winter storm warning in effect for the entire metro area. It doesn't happen often, but when it does, we have icy, cold, snowy conditions. Temperatures right now mostly in the 30s here from DIA to Aurora, 38 in Arvada and 43 in Lakewood. If you're in Castle Rock, 39 degrees for you. And we do have snow coming in through the western part of our state, and it's headed this way. We also have another low down to our south that's going to wind in some moisture into tomorrow, and that's why we'll have that extended period of snow throughout the day. But along I-70, this is where we're going to be watching here in through tomorrow, is the snow coming down along with the high winds. The wind chill factors will be well below zero, along with the blowing snow for low visibility. Here in Denver, we do have some clouds, so we're going to see more clouds as we head through the night. Temperatures in the 30s here for the next few hours, 31 degrees by 10 o'clock, and that's when we start to see things change a little bit more here in Denver. Our lows tonight, though, will be in the low 20s, definitely cold enough to support snow overnight. And as you see our hour by hour forecast, taking it in through midnight, here comes the freezing rain, then the temperatures drop below freezing and it changes over to snow. So it'll be very similar to our last storm where we had a coating of ice first and then we had a layer of snow on top of that. And it looks like we'll have more snow this time than we did last time. As for our wake up forecast, 25 degrees, it'll be snowy and icy. If you don't need to go anywhere, I would just cuddle up under the blankets versus getting out on the roads that are going to be icy. If you do, be sure to allow extra time to get where you're going so you're not in a rush. Highs tomorrow only in the 20s, and I think for the most part throughout the day, we'll be hovering in the low to mid 20s. As you see by the early morning, this morning into 4 a.m., we'll have snow across the Front Range with temperatures in the 20s. And remember, we'll start as freezing rain first, and then we'll change over to snow. And depending how long the freezing rain lasts, we could have lesser amounts of snowfall if it comes in for a longer period in freezing rain versus in snowfall. Now, we are going to have bands of snow coming through the area. Temperatures in the 20s. This will be by 10:30 in the morning. I also wanted to point out across the eastern plains some heavy snow as well. About 5 to 10 inches is expected. By 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, still snowing here in Denver. Even by 5 o'clock, we start to see some clearing farther to the north toward Fort Collins and Greeley, but it'll be a while before we clear farther to the south. So 4 to 8 inches here between Fort Collins and Denver. 5 to 10 for the northeastern plains and the eastern plains. And then for western Colorado, about 6 to 12 inches, 1 to 4 toward Pueblo, and 2 to 4 toward Lamar. We have watches and warnings that will remain in effect through tonight and tomorrow. And as you see for snowfall totals, we're in those ranges there for the Front Range. So into 3 a.m., 21, it'll be snowing. Same for 9 a.m. tomorrow, and 3 p.m., 26 degrees, still snowing. Our ski area forecast for tomorrow at Loveland, 16 degrees with a wind chill of 8 below, and it'll be very windy and very snowy. Monday, partly cloudy skies, the snow tapering off after the morning. And then as you see here on the 7-day forecast, we warm it up and clear it out into Monday and Tuesday. Temperatures in the 40s, close to 50 degrees by the time we get to Thursday. And into Saturday, we have